morning! And it's Sunday today here in Australia.
Yes!
So, mag-church kami today. Kita ba tayo? Or hindi? Super against the sun ba tayo? Ayan. So, good morning again. So, ang itinerary namin ay, since it's Easter holiday, mag-Easter egg hunting din ang mga kids. So, Sunday Easter egg hunting. Kita nyo naman, fam? Super duper init dito.
Yeah.
And very good kasi may mga solar panels talaga yung mga bahay. So, this is, again, nakita nyo na, my brother's really nice house. So, ang ganda. And then, 2 cars kami. Ito yung sa amin. Thank you, brother, for letting us borrow your car. And yun dun sila. So, yan yung family natin, si mommy and si daddy. Alright, so samahan nyo ulit kami. From Scone to Newcastle. Mag-church muna and then diretso doon para makapag-beach.
Yep.
Kasi request namin yon. At ang tagal na nating hindi nakakita ng dagat. So, see you later! Hey fam, ayan. So, nasa loob na tayo ng sasakyan. And medyo nagpapa-familiar pa ako. Getting familiarized kasi first time ko ulit magda-drive ng Devon's term is baliktad kasi nasa right. Their right hand drive. So, yan. So, nandyan si mommy ngayon. Medyo kakaiba talaga. So, kailangan to ng 100% focus kasi hindi tayo familiar sa ganito. And, let's see. Dahan-dahan lang naman yan, for sure. Right, so see you later, fam, and welcome again to Australia, mommy. See you later, Alva fam.
See you later, alligator.
Alright, bye.
We're not the first one.
And driving na po tayo, Daddy, on the right
That's super
side.
weird.
Kasi right-handed
Daddy.
ang
And
ang ano nila, ang
Daddy,
driving.
and the
side.
chairs and the car seats are
Baliktad
Baliktad too.
Right.
Everything
Ganda ng
is
community ng
baliktad.
aming brother here.
See,
Heading to
he's
church
there.
na, fam!
Yan, oh,
And
overlooking
on the
fam, oh.
On the
Look
IKEA
at
there.
that.
Australia, New South Wales.
And why is that? This is a booster car.
Usually, mga bahay dito is parang bungalow type.
Yeah, bungalow.
Bungalow type.
Or at least second floor, no? Pero hindi pa nga
That's
masyado
so
eh.
fast. Daddy,
Yeah.
this is actually a booster car.
This is a small town of New South Wales. Scone town, no?
Yeah, Scone.
Here you go.
Oh, yan na may high school sila.
Now it's
Small
colder than morning.
town siya ng New South Wales. Pero ang sabi ng sister-in-law namin, si Cecil, meron naman ditong school, may hospital, they have groceries here, they have ano pa ba, church din. So medyo komportable dito as a family din kasi safe kumbaga din. And
Opo.
Mommy,
this is the view. Yes, honey.
they also have a
After our church, kasi the weather is so good.
Wait,
No, not so far, baby.
Wait, Mommy, I
Yes.
want to bring my excavator.
No, there's no excavator, baby.
The sand angel.
And sand castle. Oh, sand angel like Olaf?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, heading lang kami sa church. Mga 20 minutes drive din from here.
I'm sorry fam kung hindi ako masyado nagsasalita.
Focus siya.
Focus na focus ako kasi right-hand drive eh. Ang hirap eh. Kakaiba.
Yeah.
And by the way, since nandito tayo is Easter and isa din sa event dito sa Australia and New Zealand actually is the Anzac Day. They call it Anzac Day, parang National Heroes Day natin yun. Ng Pinas or parang Canadian Memorial Day natin sa Canada.
So, they celebrating it
Yeah,
as
so
well
they're
here.
celebrating it close to Easter or just right after Easter, I guess. So, nasa labas lahat ang mga tao. And then, I think we would be able to visit as well the Australian Capital Territory of Canberra. So, nandun yung Anzac Museum. So, I think pupunta din tayo doon. Okay?
And
Yeah, so just driving. Yeah, for our Canadian friends there. Nasa baliktad tayong daan, mga sir and mga ma'am. And naguguluhan si Lawrence.
True. Pero na-drive na ni Lawrence to
Oh yeah.
back in
I
2018.
Oh yeah, I drove like 1,500 kilometers.
Yeah, from here sa Sydney, going Melbourne.
Yeah.
Tapos along the way, marami kaming dinaanan.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Medyo may experience na tayo. But
Yeah.
then, syempre, hindi tayo sanay.
That's right.
Iba-iba. That was 6 years ago, 5 years ago.
Daddy.
Yes, my love. Hey fam, so done with our church and of course, here's the gap. Syempre, nasa KFC kami and as you know, pag nasa ibang bansa kayo, ang KFC ay walang kanin. So, ang ginawa ni sister-in-law ay may tigi-tigi sa aming kanin. Alright, Daddy. Okay. Okay, oh, di ba? So, may mga kanin kaming nakaprepare. Alright, okay. Okay. So, Pinoy na Pinoy talaga. Okay? And then, of course, KFC, automatic na yan. Chicken, and yeah, then the usual chicken, fries. Then yung kanin ng big deal. So pag walang kanin, medyo malungkot talaga yung meal. Kaya nag-prepare ang sister-in-law ng rice. Okay, so eating time and see you later. Hi fam, so sa Australia pala baliktad. Mag-fill up ka muna ng gas. Bago ka magbayad sa loob.
So how did
So,
know how
US,
much?
Canada kasi. So, I guess you're just gonna tell them how much.
Oh, trust.
US and Canada kasi,
May trust issue kasi ako.
mag-ano ka muna. Mag-pay ka muna, let's say, $30 or $20 or $50 or whatever. And then, that's the time. Huh? Huh?
Yeah.
Wala.
They want to pay first. Kasi sa Canada, we pay first and then load. Yeah. That's my brother-in-law.
Paano to? Dili siya bay. Nana. Mag-stop ni automatic, bro. Ha? Mag-stop ni automatic ka nang di siya magbasig magpuslit ni dire.
Andyan pala kami kumain, Pam. Sa KFC.
Ah.
Malapit lang dito. Ano, Dan?
It's already here.
It smells bad.
Yeah. So, medyo baliktad pala sa Australia. They don't have trust issue here, guys. You can,
So, 23 lang?
yeah, that's it. Well, what can I do?
Okay.
So they don't have trust issues here. So you can just fill in your gas. I'm just kidding, but just fill in your gas first, and
And then pay. Pay for it.
and then you go inside and pay. Kasi they
Uh-huh.
don't have the
Top.
wireless or tap
Tap.
paying here. $23.90. Great.
Alright.
Okay. So see ya. So we're back at driving. So galing kami ng Muswellbrook. We're going to Newcastle naman now. So syempre medyo naguguluhan pa rin ako sa pagdadrive. But then I asked Donna to press that recording so that we can see those things. And ang tingin ko yan ay nuclear power plants. So, wala tayo niyan sa Pilipinas. I think there are a couple in Canada. I think in Ontario side. Pero, yeah. Here in Australia, I think masyado siyang prevalent sa mga ganun. Kasi nga, ano yan eh, clean energy yan siya. Okay, so, siguro mga 1.5 hour ang target natin na destination sa Newcastle. At magbi-beach kami. Magdadagat. Makakapagdagat din.
Ilang taon tayo?
Bam! 5 years. Since ano eh.
Nag-COVID kasi hindi na
since
di ba?
COVID, di pa tayo nag-ano.
Yeah, exactly.
Tayo nakapagdagat. So,
Okay,
yeah, it's my first time. And then, Australia ba? Ang dagat.
Yeah.
So, see you in Newcastle.
Bye.
Bale, buhay Australia pala to, hindi pala buhay Canada ngayon. Singleton.
And we are in Singleton.
Hunter Valley. New England, New South Wales. Haba ng pangalan,
Ang dami,
bro.
ha?
Haba ng pangalan, bro.
Nandito tayo siguro sa downtown nila, no?
Yeah, parang cross. Small
Yeah.
town to.
Yep.
So we're just on our way to Newcastle. It's a bigger city. Doon tayo
And
nag-ano?
syempre, sleeping ang kid.
Doon tayo na
And sister. And me. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Hindi pa pala. Mga
1 hour.
isang
1 hour
oras pa
left.
pala. Medyo mahaba-haba pang mahaba-haba pang drive. Yun yung malapit na beach dito sa Scone. So,
Yeah.
doon kami pupunta.
Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo sa pagsama sa amin.
Correct.
Sa aming Australian Alba
Yeah.
Fam Reunion.
That's right.
Madami pa to. May upcoming North Drive pa tayo ng mga around 12 hours. So, nakikita nyo talaga. And may nag-ask nga na subscribers, so what do you think of Australia? Might be the difference? Or ano bang or katulad niya sa Canada? In my opinion, they're really the twin countries. Australia and Canada. They both have big and huge natural resources na deposit. So of course, Australia would be coal and other parang coal-related products and lumber. Pero ang Canada, just gas naman, gasoline
Oil and gas.
naman, oil and
Yeah,
gas,
oil and
lumber. Oh. Then yung GDP din, hindi nagkakalayo ang Canada and Australia. You see that even the exchange rate, lamang lang ng konti ang Canada, pero hindi sila nagkakalayo. And then yung yaman ng tao is on average, dati mas mayaman ng mga Canadians. Kasi parang annual income nila is around 60 or 70 ang Canadians.
Yeah.
Ngayon lamang na ng mga around 75 ata ang Australian family average. So, mas mayaman ngayon ang mga Australian na family recently kaysa sa Canadian. Pero dati, for the longest time, mas marami ng ang Canadian families sa income.
Yeah, alright. Makikita
Okay,
nyo pa rin
so,
naman ng maraming differences or
Yeah.
similarities ng
Yes.
Australia and Canada.
Yes. So, tingnan natin yung drive going to Byron Bay from Sydney.
Yeah.
Kung ano ang scenic na route. Kasi dati, nag-drive na kami from Melbourne to Sydney or Sydney to Melbourne, vice versa. Mga vineyard yung nakita namin eh. And,
Stopover pa nga tayo sa isang vineyard.
Yeah. Pero hindi siya scenic compared dun sa na-experience kong drive ko from Vancouver to Calgary to Alberta.
Yeah.
Grabe.
The
Grabe
Rockies.
talaga. Sobrang ganda nung malayo. Pero so, tingnan natin kung ano ang
Pwede nating makita.
comparison naman nun sa Sydney to Byron Bay and Sydney to Gold Coast, which is the surf capital. I think it should be the surf capital of Australia or
Yeah.
of the world, maybe. Versus lang sila ng Hawaii. So,
Yep.
tingnan natin. Right?
Alright.
So drive lang kami, 1 hour pa naantok na kami ni Donna kaya kami nagsasalita. Actually gusto na namin, natitempt na akong kumaliwa eh. Dalit si Donna sa hotel, sa McDonald's
Para magkape.
para magkape. So,
Okay.
see ya.
Ayan, fam. And we are here na sa Newcastle. Medyo malalaman namin na andito na kami kasi with traffic.
Yeah, busy na ang mga kalsada.
Busy na. Yep. And may mga construction din. So I think mga 15 minutes away na lang kami.
Yeah, at nakakakita na rin ng dagat.
Yep. Ang Kuya Epsing na. So malapit na kami. Makaramdam o makaranas.
Beach dito sa Australia.
That's right. So first time din namin dito sa
Newcastle
Newcastle
Mag-Beach. Yeah.
Beach.
Dati sa Bondi Beach.
Sa Bondi.
kami.
Yung super lamig na Bondi Beach.
5 minutes lang.
Oo. Parang kayo nga lang nag-ano nun eh, di ba? So si Mami,
Yeah.
nag-try nun, di ba?
Siyempre, laging game yan si Mami.
Yes.
Try lagi.
And see you later.
Nandito kami sa Memorial Walk in Newcastle. Memorial Walk. Yeah, so that's my daddy.
Yeah.
And yan, Pacific Ocean. Go. Hello.
Mama, Jack,
Maayong adlaw. Kumana mo, mana maglaag. Tapos na?
Hapon lang tao.
Next stop na kayo, okay. Sige. Yan, Memorial Drive. And look at that. We're in Australia talaga. You love Australia, kuya?
Canada? You look like Canada
Oh,
anymore?
tingnan mo si Zekaya. Zekaya loves Canada. Okay. Ganda. Ganda. Woohoo! Yan love, nakabalik din ulit tayo dito. After 7 years?
2018 tayo nandito eh.
Yeah. 7 years.
7 years.
Galing ba?
Yeah.
We're back, Alba Fam Bam. And hindi ko alam kung masyadong bright ba ang video. But then, overlooking din kasi to. Not just the ocean,
Yep.
but also doon sa city ng Newcastle.
Nagpipicture si Mami, diyan ka talaga umano.
Ng Newcastle City. Ganda.
Look at Daddy Lord.
And of course, my mommy. That's my mommy na init na init. Parang ngayon lang ulit na initan ng ang balat ko, mami, ng ganito kainit. Dito tayo. Ooh, look at that, fam. Zoom nga natin para sa inyo. Zoom natin para sa inyo. Kahit digital zoom lang siya. Para mas kita rin.
Mahaba.
Ganda oh. Yeah.
$19.18.
Murag, wala na yun ni mami. Yeah, it's okay that overlooking the city of Newcastle, New South Wales. Non-stop talaga ang pasyal namin. Stop talaga ang pasyal namin ni na Daddy. Hi! Hello! And si Lianica.
Hi!
Ayan o, antok na ang aking baby girl.
Yung ano natin? Go time.
What's the name of this beach? Newcastle Beach?
I think so.
Wow! This is really nice. Bar Beach Park. It says Bar Beach Park. Wow.
Wow.
There's sharks here.
There is, kuya.
There
But
could.
but mommy,
Uy, sobrang lakas naman ng alon.
if
Opo.
you see a shark chasing you, then you need to.
What are we going to do, honey?
I found. So, nandito ako ngayon sa dulo ng Merweather Ocean Banks. Ito, may man-made to siya na pool, pero parang tinwrap nila yung seawater dito. Then ang ganda kasi dito talaga siya, connected siya dun sa parang natural na cliff or natural na parang border ng dagat at saka ng beach. Nakita nyo talaga yung swell. So may mga surfers actually kanina na nandun. So sobrang dami. Ganda oh. And then umaabot yung water dito. Malaking difference niya kasi beach talaga ang lifestyle ng mga Australians. Compared to us, in a sense, Canadians. Kasi atin naman lakes and mountains. And sanay tayong mag-ski. Meron din sila dito actually snow resort, snow ski resort. Ang tawag nila Snowy Mountain. Tawag nila Snowy Mountain. So doon may mga snow din and malalamig. So may choice din sila. But it's really more on beach lifestyle dito sa Australia. Right? Brother and sister ko. So, may meet ko daw sila dito. So, tingnan natin kung gano'n ganda yung view dito. Ooh, parang nasa dulo. Let's just see. Ganda. Ganda ng Australia. Yan o. Yan, nandito ako sa dulo ngayon. And as you can see, kitang-kita niyo yung flow talaga ng ocean. So again, Pacific Ocean yan. Kita niyo ba yung flow na yon? Ooh! And then pwede yan humampas dito. Yung tubig. Yeah, so yan. Samahan niyo na lang ako dito. Tingnan mo ako yung papakita ko. The view of the beach.